Welcome to Blogging in Basic Computers. First, you need to open up a web browser and type in jhawkinson.wordpress.com. This will take you to our class blog where we will all be posting and commenting. First thing you're going to see right now is two posts. One is Introduction, one is Web 2.0. You're going to click on No Comments or Comments to leave your comments. This will take you to the comment page. At the bottom it says leave a reply, and you have a text box where you can type in. You don't have a lot of fancy formatting available in comments, and that is perfectly fine. That's what we want. Comments are feedback. So you're going to type in your comment. This could be you're answering questions, however it is. You will be graded on these, so please check for punctuation, grammar, and spelling. You will lose points if those occur, if you have errors there. Next, click Submit Comment, and this will take you back to the screen where it just shows your post and any comments that have been made. Everyone will be able to read everyone else's posts or comments. The next thing, if you look at your page, you have a lot of different options there on the right hand side. One of them is an RSS feed. If you click that, it takes you to the RSS feed page where you can copy and paste that link into a site such as NetVibes so that you can be current on the posts that are occurring. Next thing you need to look at is logging in. Everyone will be a contributor and be given a username and password. When you're on the actual blog page, there is a login option. You'll click it. You'll go in, enter your username and password, and click login. This will then take you to our dashboard. And there's a lot of options here, as you can see, but mostly the only things you will have control over is adding a post. If you click add post or post and then add new, this takes you to the add new post. First, you're going to enter in a title. Make sure that title reflects what you're going to be talking about in this post. Then in the bottom, you have a text box where you're going to enter information in about the post. When you enter in a post for the blog, it cannot be just one or two sentences. You should have a couple of paragraphs there. And please remember, the paragraphs are 3 or 4 sentences each. Full sentences, again, spelling, grammar, punctuation are very important here. One of the options we have is to include hyperlinks. So if you have some information you want to share and there's an example or a website that talks about it, you can link to that website. And the only thing you need to do is type out all your information. And once that information is completed, and if you watch the screen now, you're going to see that. I'm making a correction real quick, adding some text, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to highlight the word hyperlink. And I'm going to click on the hyperlink button, and then this will take me to Insert Edit Link screen. URL, either type in or paste in the full URL. Under Target, we're going to select the bottom one. We want them to be able to open this on a new page instead of in our blog page. And then a title. The title is usually whatever the title of the site is. So if you did www.cnn.com, your title should be CNN. Once you have all of that complete, and we're going to skip class for now, you're going to click Insert. And now you notice that the word hyperlink has changed colors. It is underlined to show that this is a link and someone can click on it. Also, when you post a new entry, you have some formatting options. We can bold. So the best way to do this is after you finish typing up your post, highlight the words and then choose your formatting options. So we can bold, we can italicize, we can left align, center, right align. We can put a strike through a word, and that could be more of a oops type thing, or to draw some attention to something else. You can also enter in bulleted lists and numbered lists. Now, we're not going to worry about the bottom portion of this page right now. These are some more advanced options, things you don't need to be concerned about at this point. When we are finished typing out our post, on the far right hand side there's a button that says publish. We are just going to click that button, and don't worry if you find an error in it right after you click publish, we'll be able to go back. Once the page is finished loading, it has published to our site. We are now taken back to this screen, but now it says edit posts, post, publish, view post. We can also click up at the top that says view site, and we see what our site looks like.